Hello, I'm Mr. Rudy's Avatar, and I will be your instructor today. Today we're going to discuss a very important question, because everything that we believe we learn from this one place. That question is, where did the Bible come from? Let's see if we can answer that question. Let's get started. This is what our Bible looks like today, but it looked much different than that many centuries ago. In 1946, some scrolls are found near the Dead Sea. Those scrolls have been written 350 years before Christ was born, and they are copies of original writings by the prophets, and those writings look like this. They were in scrolls and they were kept in safe places. Now, where did this happen? Here's the world. Here is Europe. On the eastern end of Europe is the Mediterranean Sea and what we call the Promised Land. Here's a closer picture of Palestine, the Promised Land, and some details of it. What is the Bible? How is it organized? The Bible is in two large sections, the Old Testament and the New Testament. The Old Testament has 39 books from Genesis through Malachi. The New Testament has 27 books, Matthew through Revelations. More than 40 men were used to write the Bible. It took more than 1,500 years to write the Bible. In which languages were the books of the Bible originally written? The Old Testament was written in Hebrew. This is what ancient Hebrew looks like. Genesis chapter 1 sounds like this in Hebrew.
Hamisha Humshe Torah Sefer Bereshit Parashat Bereshit Bereshit bara Elohim et hashamayim ve'et haaretz ve'haaretz hayeta tohu vavohu.
Portions of the New Testament were written in Aramaic. This is the language that Jesus and the disciples spoke on a daily basis, and Jesus taught them the Lord's Prayer in this language. This is what it sounded like.
Avun debashmaya litkadash shemach, tithe malkutach, nehawed sevyanach, haikana debashmaya af be'ar'a, havlan lachma desunkanan yomana, beshavuklan chaubain, haikana te'af chanan shevakan lechayavan, bala ta'alan lenes yunan.
Much of the New Testament was written in Greek. Both Latin and Greek were the official Roman languages, so they were used by government and commerce. Matthew chapter 2 sounds like this.
To the Jesu γεννηθέντος en Bethlehem tis Judeas, en himeres Hirodou tu Basileos, idou magi apo Anatolon pare genonto is Hierosolima.
In the 15th century, a German by the name of Johannes Gutenberg invented a printing press. The first book he published on his press is known as the Gutenberg Bible in the year 1455. It was the first Bible ever printed on a press and not written by hand. All flesh is as grass, and all the glory of man as the flower of the grass. The grass withers, and the flower falls away, but the word of the Lord endures forever. 1 Peter 1:24. So there you have some of the answers of where our Bible came from.